My name's James Peck. I'm in sales here at Open Road, so I help put dreams in driveways. And I started May 3rd of last year. I was one of the first employees hired after Chia Minor bought the new Open Road. Just the atmosphere. I love what I do. I come to work excited and I get to get other people excited. And that passion, it just keeps me driving. I ride 2 motorcycles right now. My 2006 Deluxe is parked outside because I actually rode in on this cold day. And I have a 2021 Sportster S, which I'm putting a lot of custom parts on. And my goal is to pick up a Road Glide by the end of this summer. I don't believe that a single bike is a dream bike. And this isn't the salesman in me speaking. I think that each type of bike has a different purpose. So for me, the Sportster S is absolutely my get in trouble dream bike. The Road Glide is my going a long distance dream bike. So no, but yes. To both of them, thank you for making this feel like a family. Because without the customers or the team, what I do would be pointless, and it feels right here. Thank you. Yeah, come down and visit me, and let's see what we can do to help you join the Open Road family.